I'm Richard Hillman. I'm Clinical Director of Hillman Vets in Walsall, which is a 6-branch practice across the Walsall area. Every day we all come to work to do the very best we can for our patients and our clients. We have informal meetings 3 times a day, and then we have more formal meetings once a month. The meetings fall broadly into 2 categories, which we've got written down on the page that the head nurse for the day works her way through. There's the clinical side of the meeting, which is talking about appointments that are coming up today, inpatients that we've got and surgeries that we've got coming in. And then the other side of it is the promotion side of it. So we'll talk about the 3 monthly promotion, which at the moment is Pet Health Club, and any new things that are in that, like the goodie bags that we've got on the go at the moment. Then plus things like more long-running promotions, like the Google review, and also the mystery shop. And we're really proud of our mystery shop figures. So it's important to us that the whole team get involved in that. It's not just about the receptionist, it's everybody promoting these long-running promotions. At the end of the day, our meetings are an essential part of just regrouping and refocusing and getting the team all back together again in the same place.
My name's Jackie Hans, I'm the practice manager at Hillman Vets. We use KPIs in both of our meetings. We have monthly meetings with vets and nurses, like if they've done pet health clubs, how many pet health clubs have you done? And we may talk about their mystery shop figures. And I think everyone needs to be singing on the same page.
When we come on to the KPIs, where I lead the meeting and I present our KPIs from the previous month. This is more about where we all are. So we will show branch targets for turnover and what turnover they've achieved compared to their target, but it's in quite a light-hearted way.
It's a good way of just getting everyone together. We have lunch. The only time they get to sit in a room together and discuss what's happening in their practice is actually when they come in here. By having the meetings every month, you can kind of nip it near the beginning of a promotion and say, right, this is what this guy's doing. They're doing really well, so let's have a listen to what they've got to say and how they did it.
My name is Brian Bullock-Smith. I'm Clinical Director at Rowan Group, and Yate is my main branch. There is an art to consulting. I think it starts when they walk in through the door. The vet should go out, greet the client, ask them to come in rather than call them in, use the pet's name, smile. If they're concerned, if they're unhappy, smiling diffuses an awful lot. Talk to them all the way through the consult so they know that their animal is being fully examined. They've got to leave your consulting room happy that their concerns have been met, their pet's been looked after, you have a plan of action as to how you're going to look after their pet. The question that clients frequently ask is, what would you do if it was your pet? And you can use that phrase, if he was mine, I would probably consider doing this, that or the other. It's a way of helping them to make what is quite often some difficult decisions. Walk them back out to the reception desk. It's quite often called the walk of gain, but it's taking them back to the reception and handing them over to the receptionist. In the consulting room, you can also introduce concepts of Pet Health Club, of insurance. If you've introduced the idea, then the receptionist can actually seal the deal. It's seamless to keep the client happy.
My name is Vicky and I'm a receptionist here at Row Vets in Yate. We believe in the savings. We know it saves our clients a lot of money over the course of the year. We point out that there's the basic preventative healthcare, so the booster, the health check halfway through the year, the flea and worm treatment, and if they have just those things alone, then there's a really good saving.
Pet Health Club is a great product. It's a great way of bonding the clients. It's a way of them coming in frequently. They get used to the practice every time they come in to reinforce the fact that they're doing the best that they can for their pet. It bonds clients, it saves them money, it keeps them happy.
by highlighting the benefits at any opportunity. So if a client comes in to ask about food, we're straight away highlighting that there's the cost price saving on the majority of the brands. If they are calling to ask for a price about a booster, we lead with the health club price. We're just constantly bringing it to the forefront of what we do.
And happy clients come from a well-organised practice, the clinical directors giving the lead, and that filtering down to happy staff, which then refers back to happy clients. That is what makes a successful practice.